Hi, I'm Dominik, co-founder of Hades, and we make sewers better using machine learning. We see below the surface that it's not only roads that are falling apart, but also sewers. In the US and Europe, the majority of sewers were built 50 years ago and they're reaching the end of life. Updating this aging system requires an investment of $50 billion per year. But where to start? There's a sewer under every road, which equals to more than 5 million miles of sewers in the US and Europe alone. Yet we know very little about the sewers, besides them having a replacement value of several $1 trillion. To gather information on sewers, law requires them to be inspected regularly. As most sewers are inaccessible for humans, today's inspection goes like this. We drive a camera along the sewer, thereby we use its cable to very roughly estimate the camera's position, while recording a video of the sewers inside. All this video has to be viewed by someone. Now imagine watching hours and hours of sewer videos. Not surprisingly, there are many issues. First, on average 25% of defects are missed or misclassified, mainly due to a lack of focus. Second, it's also highly subjective, as experts disagree on up to 40% of defects. Third, cable-based localization introduces an error of up to 15 feet. And fourth, it's also just very time-consuming, as it takes an engineer a week to assess just 1 mile. Due to the high uncertainty, 20% of sewers are replaced too early, resulting in unnecessary construction sites and billions wasted each year. Instead of humans assessing a sewer, we let a machine do the job. To do so, we developed a machine learning model customized to the very specific characteristics of a sewer, which we then trained on thousands of miles. It's a learning system and just gets better with more data. Furthermore, using vision-based techniques, we revealed a 3D map of a sewer. So every pixel is georeferenced, allowing Hades to exactly locate defects and measure their dimensions. Using our web app, experts can correct our predictions, which we then feed back into our machine. Also, as everything is cloud and web-based, there's no need to install the software, just upload the video and collaborate with your team. Thereby we support the standard exchange format, making the integration frictionless, while also maintaining high security standards. Based on the discovered defects, we calculate the sewer's condition and propose the ideal maintenance measures. This cuts time for sewer maintenance planning from weeks to hours and saves up to 40% in costs by prioritizing the right sewers. We either sell to engineering companies, consulting sewer departments, or sell directly to private players managing sewers. Given the current corona pandemic, we adjusted our approach to be all remote. So after a web demo, we conduct a pilot, which then turns into a subscription for the sewer inspection analysis, from where we upsell our data-driven features. We charge per number of users and sewer data analyzed. Recently, we finished our first pilot. As our customer was very happy, this turned into an ARR of 30K. Currently, we're running 2 more pilots worth 25K and are signing pilots worth 125K in the next few months. We have LOIs worth 1.3 million of ARR in the pipeline. Initially, we target the market of sewer inspection, analysis and software, which is about 500 million. By offering this initial service, we are systematically collecting data at an unprecedented level of scale and level of detail. All this data then allows us to develop further solutions for data-driven inspection, maintenance and management with a market size of roughly 3.4 billion. A few early-stage players try to automate the sewer assessment as well, but we not only provide the highest quality output, but also the most speed up. Furthermore, we are the only one able to locate sewer defects reliably and measure their dimensions. We are a spin-off from ETH, which is like the MIT of Europe. Our team consists of environmental engineers and computer scientists. Chris is a certified sewer inspector and founded water startup in the past. Eric has been coding since the age of 10, won a hackathon at MIT, and worked on object detection for autonomous driving. Myself, I'm a National Science Fellow for applying computer vision to sewers. The rest of the team are 5 computer scientists and a postdoc in sewer debt ratio modeling. We are raising capital to serve the demand we already have, unlock the value of our LOIs worth $1.3 million, while continue to build our product. So join us on our mission to bring light into the underground.